Good day, everyone. My name is Amanda. I'm here to explain a workflow I just created. So, this is a document summarizing workflow. Basically, what it does is when you upload a document or a file into a Google Drive folder, it downloads the file, it extracts the information from the file, it summarizes it, and then it uploads the results into a Google spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet that we are working with. As you can see, the last results here is intern monthly reports. These are the few things I've practiced with. So this is the folder that we are working with. So we're quickly going to upload a file into the folder. Okay, that's complete. So we'll come back to our workflow and it will execute the workflow. Normally, we could wait for a minute and it's automatically upload by itself. I mean, execute by itself because it's on a trigger and every minute it checks for any new uploads into the file, into the folder, sorry. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to wait for that minute. I just manually executed it. So we can see that our execution has been done. Then we'll go back to our Google Sheets. And what do we have here? Our results. What is operational clarity? This, remember, this was the last results here. This is the summary of the file that I just uploaded. So yeah, and this is the workflow that executed all of that. Thank you.